came to the Supreme Court saying
This writ petition जो आपने लगाई है, this has been
the order passed in the writ petition was challenged.
Right.
We came to the High Court,
Supreme Court.
to the Supreme Court, saying that question of
NCP क्या बताएं?
जी ये आपके सामने, if I could just place this is your record actually. Paper book
CP
number
नंबर
2
बताइए ना जी,
जी उस पे नंबर नहीं लगा था. It was
आपने फाइल
returned.
कब किया था?
मैं आपके सब सामने ये पेपर बुक देख
आप
लीजिए.
बता देना फाइल कब किया.
जी, the election commission order was received by us on the 7th of February, one day before 8th of February when the election was due. Hearing was held on the 2nd of February. Order was received on the 7th of February.
ठीक हो गया.
On the 8th, the election was held. Then we filed a CPLA before this court, which was returned to us. Kindly see in this paper book number 2. So our position, page 33.
Supreme Court returned it.
Yes.
You accepted the return.
Well, kindly see. Kindly see.
देखिए,
Sir,
you have to be
yes,
fair.
yes. When the Supreme Court says
भाई,
we are
it's not the Supreme Court, it's the office of the Supreme Court. Supreme Court में थोड़ा फर्क
मुझे
होता है.
पूरी situation
नहीं
explain
अब
करने दें.
देखें आप, now I'll take exception. Lord, consider the office of the Supreme Court as the Supreme Court.
मुझे अर्ज करने
जरा
दें.
ठहर जाइए, दोबारा ठहर जाइए. अगर कोई ऑफिस का ऑर्डर आपको पसंद नहीं आए, आप उसकी अपील फाइल कर सकते हैं. आपको ये भी बात बखूबी पता है. तो ऐसे ना करें ना,
Let's look at
मिक्स अप
this.
करें चीजों
No,
को.
I agree. I bow. Let's
तो
look
फिर
at.
अगर आपने एक रेमेडी परस्यू नहीं की, अब आप what you could have done directly, you now
No,
seeking
sir.
to do indirectly.
मुझे अर्ज करने दें. This is for
रीजन
everybody.
क्या दिया हुआ है जरा.
जी रीजन देख लीजिए. So we came to the Supreme Court against the High Court order sending the matter to the Election Commission on the 31st of January 2024. Originally some objections were made which were technical in nature. They were removed duly. Objections removed on the 1st of February 2024.
What is the objection?
And
that
then
was made?
thereafter kindly see the other objection towards the foot of the page.
पढ़िए, क्या लिखा है?
Election process has moved far ahead of allotment of election symbol, declaration of candidate as independent or otherwise. Prima facie laches applies to this cause. Now, the High Court order,
Why did you not challenge this?
इसकी अपील अवेलेबल है ना.
इसकी चेंबर अपील हो सकती
आपने
थी.
आपने या नहीं
जी
की?
मैं अर्ज कर नहीं की.
आप अर्ज करें, आप जवाब दे दें.
नहीं की.
तो कह देना नहीं की.
मैंने कह दिया सर नहीं की. एंड उसकी
जिला
वजह
ना
भी
करना पड़े हमें आज
नहीं मैंने
इससे।
कह दिया नहीं की. देखिए,
अच्छा।
this we get back on the eve of the election of the 8th of February. So we are told on the eve of the election कि अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Matters
ये अंग्रेजी में लिखा
नहीं,
है.
सर सलमान जो देखें, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इशू. Speaking for myself, I think this was the crux of the case, as Justice Minella has also
Quite
pointed
so,
my
quite
brother.
so.
However, you left it, you abandoned it.
No, we didn't abandon it. Please understand the situation.
बताइए. जिस तरह Justice Minella ने कहा, were you under some pressure, coercion that you did not file an appeal?
अब अगर मैं करूंगा तो आप कहेंगे I'm scandalizing the situation.
नहीं, आप हमें
We were
बताएं.
under immense pressure and threat every
Not to,
single
not,
day.
Can you
you mean to
proceed
say
factually?
you as counsel were under a threat not to file an appeal?
As candidate.
Counsel की बात कर रहे हैं ना,
No,
अब ये
Mulot,
तो ना
as
करें.
candidate.
चले अब ये please, I will not
अच्छा, ये
allow
हो
this.
गया. No, you won't. That's why I didn't want to go
एक्चुअली
there.
बताइए, ये इन्होंने रिटर्न कर दी, आपने इसके खिलाफ कुछ नहीं किया, फिर क्या हुआ?
उसके बाद ये हुआ, हमने इलेक्शन लड़
आपने
लिया.
मान लिया एक तरह से बात.
जी इलेक्शन कमीशन का फैसला आ गया. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने हमारी अपील CPLA एंटरटेन नहीं
मान साहब
की.
एक सेकंड फिर से इस तरह लग रहा है ना. देखें, हम अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं कि ये सवाल कि कहना कि PTI ने इलेक्शन नहीं लड़ा, वो कैंडिडेट्स वर एक्चुअली एफिलिएटेड टू PTI इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट
Yes,
क्वेश्चन.
absolutely.
Speaking for myself.
So it should be decided now.
And you took up the matter seriously before the
Yes.
court, but you abandoned. एक सेकंड सुन ले, आपने अपील फाइल नहीं की, ये लिस्ट खत्म हो.
Yes.
ये इशू ही खत्म हो गया. आप नहीं लाए आगे, ना PTI लेके आया.
My
इलेक्शन तो
extent.
हमने सुन लीजिए ना. अब जो हमारे सामने इशू आया है वो एक रिजर्व सीट की खातून है जो कहती हैं कि मैं SIC की रिजर्व सीट की एक कैंडिडेट हूं जिसकी लिस्ट हमें नहीं मिल रही, और वो कह रही हैं कि, और उनका आर्ग्यूमेंट अगर वो SIC की रिजर्व सीट में है तो एग्जैक्टली वही है जो फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब का है, तो वो हो गया. ये जो असली केस था कि आप जो असल बात थी सब्सटैंटिव कि आप एक्चुअली आपकी एफिलिएशन आपको डिप्राइव नहीं की जा सकती थी और वो सारे इंडिपेंडेंट्स वर एक्चुअली पीटीआई कैंडिडेट्स, ये हमारे पास आ नहीं रहा मैटर, ये हमें प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. वी आर अप्रिशिएटिंग दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन,
yes.
बट इट हैज नॉट कम टू अस.
Is there any other CP pending where this question has arisen?
नहीं है.
I don't believe it's in a CP, but it's now in
That's
the High
why
Court.
I asked, why didn't PTI bring this issue?
Is there any limitation for filing? Is there any limitation for filing of appeal in chamber against the objections? आप आज भी कर सकते हैं.
There is. Your lordships can waive that and allow me to file an appeal against this.
Why? I mean, so then you are demolishing his case.
No, I'm not demolishing anything.
Raja Sahab.
I'm not demolishing.
Raja
आप
Sahab.
सुनेंगे तो आप
जिस
देखेंगे.
तरह my Lord Justice Mansoor Ali Shah ने कहा, there could not have been a more important question of public importance involving fundamental rights of the people.
Yes.
What prevents this court from
Taking it up now.
exercising a jurisdiction under Article 184(3) of the Constitution? It is. I think there could not have been a more important matter than this one to have exercised that jurisdiction.
Quite so.
Rather than getting into technicalities
And
and binding ourselves to CPLAs, this is a matter which involves those
And
people who
absolutely.
are not before us.
In any
but their
event,
rights
you
are
are a
involved.
woman candidate for the reserve seat,
Yes.
so please state your case.
Allow
What is
me.
your case?
Yes, Dana, allow me to, if I'm allowed to proceed to the case.
Just
And
state
let
your
me just-
case, whatever it
I'm
is,
so
put it out there.
I'm sorry to say there is no case before us.
So there is a case. मुझे आप सुनेंगे तो how is
There is no case. There's no
the
number.
case-
There's no nothing.
Oh, that's up to your lordships. I have filed my CMA.
ऐसे करें.
मुझे पहले दिन से
Learned Counsel-
ये कहा जा रहा है कि I will be heard.
हम आपको सुन के देख लेते हैं,
जी, सुन लेना मुझे।
केस or not.
As far
आप
as
सुने-
you're concerned,
Consentency
देखें,
बता दें.
as far as the petitioner being a candidate of PTI, that's over. Now you are a candidate of CIC.
I would have been if they had allowed me to.
Just hold on. Now let's see whether CIC owns SIC owns you. आपने कोई undertaking इन्हें दी है कि ये आपके candidate होंगी?
आप बस ये बयान दे दें कि
आप आए?
बता दीजिए कि आपके कैंडिडेट
Have you ever been contacted by this lady for a particular seat, a reserved seat for women?
Sir, I have to see constructions.
अब देखें, अब situation ये है, Learned Counsel
स्टेटमेंट ने आप को मोड़ के पूछ.
अभी यहाँ पे पोजीशन ये कि आप ये यहाँ पे हमें ये कह रहे हैं, Learned Counsel,
सलमान साहब।
मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ, आप ये कह रहे हैं कि जी SIC हमारे सामने है. They are not owning you right now. You have,
Counsel is here.
please, he's not owning you. No, he's not owning.
I'm neither owning nor disowning.
Disowning. So हम कुछ आप लाएं, बोलें कि जी ये उनकी तरफ से अंडरटेकिंग है, उनने
मैं
दी
ले
थी
आऊंगा, मैं
कि
ले
जी
आऊंगा।
हम ये मेरी कैंडिडेट होंगी इस रिजर्व सीट. जब तक ये आपका नहीं आएगा थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. Any lady can come up and say कि maybe I am the candidate. तो वो फिर बात बहुत खुल जाएगी.
बल्कि इसको थोड़ा बढ़ा
PTI का तो
बल्कि
ना candidate।
बल्कि इसको बढ़ाते
उधर आपने abandon कर दिया ना.
नहीं, abandon नहीं किया.
आपने कहा you want to join SIC ना.
I'm saying if SIC is allowed, then I will join SIC.
SIC ने अभी तक लिस्ट जमा नहीं किया. अगर लिस्ट जमा करेंगे हो सकता है अगर
ना भी करें, वो सिर्फ इतना ओन आपको कर लें फिर आप आ सकते हैं.
सलमान साहब जरा सुन
Say, I assure the court I will get that certificate.
एक मिनट जरा सुन ले. देखिए
मुझे सुन ले अगर on questions of law.
ले आए.
ले आए
अगर SIC ने
लिस्ट ले आए फिर
अभी within the hour आ जाएगी.
ठीक है, अभी
Allow me to begin. Allow me to commence.
अगर आप SIC की लिस्ट उन्होंने जमा ही नहीं किया है, सुन ले एक मिनट. अगर SIC ने अपनी लिस्ट जमा नहीं किया और SIC की पिटीशन अलाउ होती है तो आपको ज्वाइन कर देंगे.
जी. So SIC ने दरखास्त दी कि हमें लिस्ट देने दें, उनको देने नहीं दी गई.
अब आपने ये बातें कर ली, कितनी दफा कर ली.
मुझे आर्ग्यू करने दें थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन.
आर्ग्यू कर रहे हैं, समझ नहीं आ रहा है. आप उनका केस तबाह करने पे आप
नहीं
करना
तबाह हो
चाहें, करिए
रहा
तबाह उनका
है. I don't know ये आप क्यों कह रही है, but just
because
hear me.
you don't understand the concept. You think today I wear one tie, tomorrow I can wear
I'm
another tie.
going to only-
जरा सुन तो लीजिए ना. Political affiliation is an important thing,
Yes, my lord.
or it is not.
It is, my lord. It is. But I'm not going to argue at cross purposes.
तो political parties affiliation होना
अब
होता
अगर
है.
आप सर्टिफिकेट इसी स्टेज के ऊपर लेंगे तो वो क्या क्रिएट कर रहे हैं?
kindly read
इस स्टेज के
article,
ऊपर
kindly read clause 2 of article 224 of the Constitution.
224, my lord, Article 224.
Clause 2.
When the National Assembly or a provincial assembly is dissolved, a general election to the assembly shall be held within a period of 90 days after the dissolution, and the results of the election shall be declared not later than 14 days after the conclusion of the polls.
Now let's relate this to what we have before us, namely paragraph D of the 51, which is of course proportionate to whatever it is.
Yes, ma'am.
It seems to me that since the Constitution mandates, although I'm not sure exactly what happened in this general election because, but anyway, the constitutional mandate is that results have to be declared of the general election not later than 14 days after the conclusion of the polls. So that, as a matter of law, crystallizes the position of the proportional representation.
Quite so, quite so.
You, at that time, had filed the list for PTI. I mean, you were on the reserve list for PTI.
Yes, that was filed way back in December
So therefore, it
2023.
seems to me, prima facie, that since the right of PTI crystallized as a matter of law on the 14th day, your right to be considered if they were
Yes, yes.
number crystallized at that point in time.
मैं यही आर्ग्यू करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. If I'm allowed to come to the questions of law, I bow.
अरे बात तो सुनने ना आप माशाल्लाह रुकना आजकल कोई बात
अब अपने फेवर की बात भी नहीं सुन सकते.
Therefore, the question of locus standi prima facie seems answered.
Right, so
That you have a standing. Now the question is, you are standing before us how? My learned colleague Justice Atar Minallah has made, I think, a very practical observation that let us not get caught up in the technicalities of the matter, since as a matter of constitutional law, you seem to have, the position seems to have crystallized for the reserved seats, and you being on the reserved list, seems to me that prima facie you do have standing to say, well, whatever it is you want to say.
I'm grateful for that observation. My humble plea is, hear me out and then let us see whether what I have to say makes out a cause of action on my part or not. And I bow completely that if your lordships were to come to the conclusion, and there is nothing stopping your lordships
If
from...
we allow you to argue, how long will you take?
My lord, an hour and 20
No
minutes.
way. If you can make a few points, you
But
not
they're
give,
important
एक तो आपको indulgence दें और फिर आप
It's
कह
not
रहे हैं मैं
indulgence,
घंटों
my
आर्ग्यू
lord.
करूंगा.
It is not indulgence.
Yes, it is indulgence. If you don't even concede it as indulgence, so
Lord,
to say
I'm-
that is not fair.
No, my lord, my
You are
submission
you are petition.
I am the person most impacted. मैं शुरू करने दें.
बार आप वही बात कर रहे हैं.
मुझे
हम
शुरू करने
आपको
दें.
चंद मिनटों में कोई पॉइंट्स बताना हम नोट
मुझसे
करें.
मुझे शुरू करने
अगर
दें.
आप घंटों लगाएंगे हम आपको
No,
नहीं
not घंटों, but maybe an hour or so. But if
no hour or so.
ये सलमान राजा साहब.
then I'll.
No, but
आप सुन लें,
we are
let us
giving you
see.
an indulgence.
So let us see if I
Why
have
don't you
something
start
useful
and
to
then
say.
we see how it
Yes,
goes.
Manoj.
आप
Let me
start तो
start,
करें.
but I need
So
to
much
know
time
that
is
I have
taken up
some
in this.
time to make a.
Let's
I would have
proceed with
done
your
half the case
argument.
by now.
आप शुरू करें फिर हम
आप
देखेंगे.
शुरू
We
तो
have
करें
abandoned all work. सिर्फ
kindly
आपके
allow-
केस सुनेंगे हम.
Lord, I-
There are thousands of cases in the Supreme
Yes,
Court.
Lord, yes,
Have some
Lord.
pity on those people.
My lord, this is a foundational case of great importance to the future of democracy in this country. Now let me just make a few points and let's see where these points go then.
Give us your contentions first and then elaborate
yes.
on it later.
And I will then submit a note as well. So my first submission is, and I'm now purely on the questions of law and the Constitution, that in Article 51(6), D and E, there is, in the text of these articles, no requirement whatsoever that an independent candidate join a party with at least one seat, directly one, at the time of the general election. There is nothing in the text.
आगे बढ़िए.
मुझे अर्ज करने दें सर. This requirement has been read into the text by both the Election Commission and the Peshawar High Court. And it would appear that this reading in has occurred because of a failure to appreciate the effect of the proviso in both these subclauses D and E, and the use of the word secured in subclause D and the word or the phrase proviso, one by, in the proviso to subclause D, as well as the use of the phrase one in both the main body and the proviso of subclause E.
This is the exact same point
No,
argued
it is
by
not.
Mr.
It is
Faisal Siddiqui.
exactly not. Murad, kindly hear me.
चलें आगे बढ़िए,
Kindly
next
hear-
point
No,
बताइए.
kindly hear me.
Next
sir.
point बताइए.
No, it's not the next point. I need to elaborate this. इसी पे. If my lord will allow me, my lord will take much shorter. So the submission is, my friend was arguing that perhaps some purposive, progressive interpretation is needed. I am submitting no progressive or purposive interpretation is needed. In fact, the very language of these clauses belies the contention that it is a sequential process whereby first one seat has to be won in the general election and only then further seats can be won through the independent members joining a party. So the language here is that independent members may join a political party, not a parliamentary party. So if the constitution makers wanted the independent members to join a party with at least one seat, the language used would have been parliamentary party.
Can't be, because at this point in time, there is no parliamentary party because parliament has not yet, or the National Assembly.
All right, so okay, I concede that. So the language used here is political party.
No, but you see, the thing is, what you are not speaking for myself, keeping in mind is that the main part, I'm looking at D now.
Yes.
Main part says seats secured by each political party.
Yes.
Seat secured.
Yes.
The proviso is speaking of the independent returned candidate
Yes.
joining.
Yes.
There's a distinction here.
Lord.
As I see it, suppose there is a general election and the next morning someone asks another person, how many seats did party X secure? Whatever the answer is. And suppose that person asks the question in this way,
3 days later.
how many seats did party X win? Would you, as a reasonable person, draw any distinction? No. How many seats did the party secure? How many seats did the party win? Total law, it seems to me that these words are used interchangeably.
Interchangeably? Yes, I bow.
Now, the main part refers to seats secured. The proviso allows independents to join. Why? Because the independent holds a seat that is not secured
No,
by the political party.
let me submit.
This distinction.
Yes.
Therefore, this is the reason why I say that the proviso is the only permissible exception to the balance of proportional representation. It is an exception. Why? Because the independent candidate, the language itself calls him, it doesn't call it a seat of, it says independent candidate. The independent candidate holds a seat not won by any political party. Why? Because he's an independent.
Right,
It
so
seems to me that
let me come back to this. Let me submit.
kindly look
Let
at
me
it this
submit.
way.
Murad, I read the word secured in subclause D as referring to something more nuanced than one. And the reason for that is as follows. In the case of the women's seats, the constituency is each province. In the case of the non-Muslims, the constituency is all of Pakistan. Now what subclause D is capturing is National Assembly seats from a particular province. Normally we don't say that. Normally we say a seat won in the National Assembly. Here a further dimension is being added. It is being said seats won in the National Assembly from a province. So in order to capture
we say that because the Constitution says
Yes,
that.
so the
Because
Constitution-
the Constitution divides at the level of the federation the seats according to provinces.
yes, for women, but not for
Previously,
non-Muslims.
No, the general seats. The general seats are divided according.
मैं अर्ज करूं. Yes. So I'm submitting that when we relate.
साहब इसीलिए तो है ना, from each province allocation की.
Yes. So what I'm saying, I'm agreeing completely with my lord. I'm saying when the reference is to National Assembly seats from a province, the word used by the constitution maker is secured because it is capturing that additional element. And when it is with reference to non-Muslims, the language used is one because there is only one constituency presidency, which is all of Pakistan. So the word secured is capturing this additional nuance that the seat was won, but won from a province. That is the only difference between subclause D and subclause E, my lords, if I may. Lord, I'm trying to explain the difference between the language in clause D and clause E. Clause D talks of seats secured in the main body of the provision before the proviso. Clause E talks of seats won in the main body. And then the proviso in both clauses D and E talk of seats won. So what I'm submitting is that the word secured is wider than won, the word won, and it is capturing the provincial affiliation of a National Assembly seat. And that is why they've used a wider term, but it includes the concept of winning a seat. And what Article 51
पहले जरा अपना जो आप कहना चाहते हैं पहले अपनी वो प्रोपोजिशन को कर दें, फिर हम देखेंगे कि आपकी
यानी
इंटरप्रिटेशन।
अगर आपकी रिक्वेस्ट हम मान लें तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? आप
वो
उस पार्टी
आप जरा
के कैंडिडेट हो
वो
जाएंगे।
जी मुझे
इतनी सी बात है ना।
नहीं सर, मुझे जरा इसको
नहीं, एक मिनट
इंटरप्रेट करने
आप
दें।
देखें ना, अगर आपकी पिटीशन मान ली जाए, आप चाहते ही हैं कि आपको SIC कैंडिडेट बना दे।
एक मिनट, मैं चाहता हूं पहले कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को हम समझ लें, फिर कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस विल
की बात नहीं है। आप अपनी प्रेयर क्लास पढ़ लें।
सर, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को तो हम समझ लेना थोड़ा सा।
नहीं, पहले तो अब जो कुछ आएगा।
नहीं सर, मुझे थोड़ा सा
प्रॉब्लम ये हो रहा है कि आपका दिल है PTI में।
नहीं सर, आई एम जस्ट नाउ
बहस आप कर रहे हैं SIC की।
नहीं सर।
वो हमें इत्तेजाद नजर आ रहा है ना। देखिए प्लीज, हमको आपको बार बार एक सेकंड सुन लें। आई एम सेइंग फॉर माई सेल्फ, दिस मैटर जो आपने पिटीशन फाइल की थी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट, कि क्या आप पॉलिटिकल एफिलिएशन PTI की निकाल सकते थे इलेक्शन से।